Jade Edwards with Century 21 and your Arizona Realtor. I'm just going to tell you a little bit about myself. For the tip of the week, I'm starting that back again because I've been getting emails and phone calls saying, they need you clients or people that are going to be my clients, but don't know that yet, asking me for some more information about the real estate industry. Okay, if you want to contact me, my phone number is 480-326-9895. And you can also find me on Google+, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Facebook. All you gotta do is just go and type in Realtor Jade, R-E-A-L-T-O-R, Jade, and Edwards, and that should come up. Okay, so that's it. Because we do investing. If you are thinking about buying, selling, or investing in the real estate market, that's what you need: a savvy, especially a tech-savvy realtor. That will be me. All right. Enough about me. Okay, today I'm going to be talking to Mike, who's with Gencor. Did I say correctly? Gencor Mortgage. And he has a couple of, first off, he's going to introduce himself, and then he has a couple of tips. And also a program that might be useful to you guys. Hi, Mike.
How you doing, Jade?
Good.
I just want to let you know my name is Mike Macagnano. I work with Gencor Mortgage. I've been in the mortgage industry now for 12 years strong. And before that, I was a realtor for 12 years. So I know the market in and out, and I know both sides of the market. Basically, what I wanted to discuss or give you tips concerning how to get yourself prepared to buy a home. One of the first things that you should do is absolutely get yourself prepared as far as documentation that is needed for your loan application.
Especially in this challenging and hot real estate market of Arizona. I don't know what you guys hear out there, but if you're not ready, you don't have your documents in a row, and you don't have your pre-call letter, nobody's going to look at your offer. You guys need facts and numbers, especially out-of-towners. Send me an email or call me or Mike, and then I'll get all that information to you guys so you can see it all in black and white.
Yep. So what I'm going to do is give you the information that you need. So when you do talk to a mortgage loan officer, you're going to be totally prepared with your documentation that they're going to require. So that's what I wanted to do. Basically, if you are a W-2 employee, what I would get prepared is your last 2 years W-2s. You want to get your last 2 years tax returns. You want to get your last 30 days bank statements, and make sure you have all the pages, and make sure if it's an online statement that it has your name and the account number on it, because if it doesn't, you're going to be required that you display that. Also, you're going to need any investment programs that you're in, such as 401ks, or if you're into the stock market or annuities. Anything like that, you're going to need your last statement. Okay. Also, you're going to need legible copies of your driver's license and social security card. A lot of people misplace their social security card. So if you don't have a social security card, you can use a passport in lieu of. Okay.
Or go get one.
That's right. Or
only takes 2 weeks.
That's right.
I've done it. I've lost mine.
because I've ran into this problem before where people don't have their documentation. So if you don't have a social security card, you can go to the Social Security Administration's office. They will give you a receipt right then and there that you can bring to your loan officer. They will use that
until
you get your social security card in the mail, okay, or you go pick it up. So these items are very, very important. If you're self-employed, you better make sure that you have your corporation papers if you're incorporated, or if you're a sole proprietor. You absolutely want your last 2 years tax returns.
1099. Well, yeah, the
1099s.
tax return,
Tax
yeah, with
returns.
the accountant.
And also, you're going to need your corporate returns if you're in a corporation, okay? There's many things that, on those tax returns that can determine added income or if you're losing income, okay? So those items, absolutely, you want to have those items prepared in a packet, so when you go to talk to your loan officer, they could make a judgment right then and there based on what your documentation states as to what type of a loan you can get, and also your buying power as far as purchase price.
And we do in this economy, at least the past 2 years, I do know of people, good people, bad things happen to good people too, especially with the economy. So some people, their credit scores, FICO score is not that high, and all you gotta do is either talk to Mike or any other lender, loan officer that you trust, not just somebody you met at an open house, please, okay? That you trust, or your parents trust, somebody, and talk to them. And where was I going with that? Oh, okay. So and then he will be more than happy to teach you, tell you what to do and what not to do to bring up your credit, the
Credit
FICO
scores.
score,
Correct.
correct?
That is
And that
correct.
takes about, if you guys listen, the ones that have a bit of a bad credit issue, if you guys do listen to your mortgage guys, you will, actually they will teach you how to get it fixed in approximately, I'd say, 6 to 9 months. I'm being
Yeah,
conservative.
And it varies. I mean, if your credit scores are within, 20, 30 points of being able to qualify for a certain program, I've looked over credit reports where there's certain things that we can do quickly, pay down credit cards that to increase points.
He's not saying pay it off. He's
No,
saying pay
pay it
down,
down.
because it's better to have some,
That
you
is
know.
correct. And we do have the tools available to be able to go into a software and say, okay, I'm going to pay this card down 20, 30, 40, $100, whatever it is, just in order to get the score that we need for you to be able to qualify for that certain loan program.
Okay, so please give them your information in case they want to call you and have questions. And also, he also has a program that will
Yes.
call. Yeah, I'll let him say it because I'll mess it up.
Yes, we have, what you want to be prepared for, not only with your documentation, but you want to have a goal in mind when you buy that home. How long do we really want to stay in this particular home before we have a family and we need something possibly a little bit bigger?
Then you call me.
That's right, of course.
I had to throw that in
That's
there.
right, your trusted realtor. So you want to have a goal in mind. If you plan on being in a home, maybe 3 years before you start a family and you may need a bigger home, there's loan programs out there that can actually reduce your payment. So you want to make sure that you have these questions answered when you go to your loan interview. We have a 97% program, which is a conventional program now, that they've just reduced the FICO score requirement to a 620.
When he says 97%, it means you come up with 3%
3% down.
payment.
That's
less
right.
than FHA.
That is correct.
And right now, sellers are looking more at, besides cash, more at conventional loans to accept the offer versus FHA or VA, and that's not fair. I understand, it's not right, but I'm just telling you guys.
You're right. There's less
tough.
red tape involved, especially when you're dealing with appraisals.
Yeah.
So that's a great new program. We've had the 97%, but now with the FICO score requirements lower to 620, there's going to be much more people able to qualify and get conventional financing now. We have FHA, which is 96.5%. However, their mortgage insurance has increased over the last year and a half to a point now where it's actually more expensive than conventional financing. And then we have your 100% programs, 100% meaning zero down. We have your VA loans, and we are a VA lender. And you also have your USDA loans. And USDA is the U.S. Department of Agriculture. Believe it or not, They are in the mortgage business, and they have an excellent program, but there are restrictions. So have your goals, be prepared, and if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact either your realtor or
With the
loan
loan
guy.
Give
loan
him your
officer.
number.
Okay, my phone number is 602-435-7510.
Can you say it one more time, please, in case?
602-435-7510, and I'm available 24/7.
Yeah, that's what we do, 24/7.
That's right. If I do not answer your call, please leave a
Leave a
detailed
message.
message with a phone number.
And say that phone number twice. Don't
That's
run
right.
off with it.
That's right.
That's what my voicemail says.
That's
Anyways.
true, it's very true.
Thank you so much. If you have any questions regarding real estate, thinking of buying, selling, investing, or just have questions, again, call me, your realtor, Arizona realtor, Jade Edwards, Century 21 480-326-9895. Thank you, guys. Have a fabulous day. Thank you so much.
Thank
Oh,
you.
before I let go, one last thing. The rates that we set today with his programs, this is June 26, 2012. So if you call in a week or a month or a couple months from here and there's different programs, please, just so you know, things change on daily basis. Daily. So please don't be upset. Just bear with us and he'll be more than happy to help you.
Yes, make your professionals do their job.
Exactly. Thank you, guys.
Thank you
God
very
bless.
much.